Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send a snap on Snapchat without it showing as a media upload. So if you want to send photos or videos like a normal snap, follow along step by step. All right, let's dive in. First, open your Snapchat app on your phone. You'll land right on the camera screen. At the top, you'll see a small down arrow. Tap on it. This opens a menu where you can access different camera modes. Here, look for Director Mode. If you don't see the text, just tap on the camera icon with a star. Next, scroll all the way to the bottom of the menu and tap on Upload. Now, select the photo or video you want to send as a snap. Once you've picked it, tap the check mark at the bottom to confirm. After that, tap Preview to see your snap. From here, you can edit it however you like or go straight to sending it. When you're ready, tap Send To, choose the person or people you want to send it to, and then tap Send. Once it's sent, you'll notice it shows Snap Sent, and it won't appear as a media upload anymore. And that's it. This is the easiest way to send snaps normally without the media upload tag.